Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your wealth management with Morgan Stanley step by step clearly. Start by identifying your financial goals. Consider what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. Assess your current financial situation to understand where you stand. Gather all relevant documents, including income statements, expenses, and existing. Visit the Morgan Stanley website to explore their wealth management services. Schedule a consultation with a Morgan Stanley financial advisor. During the consultation, discuss your financial goals and current situation in detail. Ask about the services they offer that align with your goals. Inquire about their investment strategies and how they customize plans for individual clients. Review the advisor's approach to risk management and asset allocation. Understand the fees and costs associated with their services. Request a comprehensive financial plan that outlines recommendations. Review the proposed plan carefully, considering how it aligns with your objectives. Ask questions if anything is unclear or if you need further clarification. Once satisfied, agree to the plan and initiate the investment process. Monitor your investments regularly to stay aligned with your financial goals. Schedule periodic reviews with your advisor to assess progress and make adjustments. Stay informed about market trends and how they may affect your investments. Engage in ongoing education about financial management strategies and options. Evaluate your wealth management services annually to ensure they continue to meet your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.